Kelifa Akuzayon could do that video. And when then I advise here about go to go, or wasn't that her advice more like a go he the way bully Akuzayon and Gwago Bolone. No Bule Bukobi. He is a lover and follower of Ebukobi, a member of Zion. That Ebukobi, who his father. That Nanyawa Bule Ebukobi, so don't expect him to behave like Ebukobi. He has said that. He has said that countless times. So if you are expecting him to behave any way different from Akuzayon, you are making a great mistake. He is not the spiritual director of Zion Ministry. He is a member of Zion Ministry. I don't know why you expect him to behave in a different manner from the way you are behaving like a human being. Yes, I was saying something before network being so, and even the Kumba making reference to Ebonyi son and the Ebonyi son as a platform. Make a reference to Akuzayon and the Zoro Bitters as a brand. Then Mwegwa Wese Opulu Nebonyi son Ekiaho. How he conducts himself, how he shares his opinion, how he disagrees with issues, how he calls out people. Opulu no Kiaho about the people who are following him. He doesn't care. If you want to follow him, you follow him. If you don't want to follow him, then it happens. All block Global TV na page here. Why will he think that Akuzayon will care about who drinks Zoro Bitters or not? Afioma Nelo Mweye GUO Amahonyewo. Yes, God is good. Amahonyewo. Orisumoto Amahonyewo. If on a brand there, Ebawamote, same thing. If on a brand motor, if on a transportation company, that is it. Etu akodo. Yes, etu akodo. Star hero. Trophy. Ama honde na ngwe. Ama no mde mmadu na ngwe. Mana ha ama honde na ngwe. Mana ngo trophy odo mma. Ngo trophy. Go. Yeah? You see? That is it. So, Zoro Bitters, Wafioma Nelo Mweye. O inwoye, echinine, odo mana ahungu ifo meru. Iwonu maka, nakuru mele, ya jesengo yoso. Who said so? Who said so? Who said that Akuzayon cannot defend Amaguma to say Chelsea fan and Manchester United fan? Yeah? Wizkid FC and the Davido FC. They fight like cat and the rat, and yet how much more Akuzayon, who told you that he's fighting for his father, but his father son knows his father and father knows his son. No problem with that. Why is it that you people cannot respect how other people feels? You will only try to force other people into accepting you the way you are, but you can never respect other people's feeling. Why? I ask again, do you think that this life is all about you? That is how you will come and quickly call Ogechi Achawo. You quickly call him Akunachikago. The moment of fire is back to you, the whole social media platform because now so go awonye obolo woke to well Facebook. We should all run away because neither exist. You will call her Akuna Chicago, and you will also want to tell her how to react to you. You will tell her how to respond to you. If you ruthless in your approach, you will get a ruthless reward or reaction. So you cannot tell people how to react to you. Respect other people's opinion. Yes. Yes. Respect other people's opinion. Ekpo monyo iyagwa mi fem makpo. Iwolu poto piam nisi. Iyagwa mi fem meme. Ekpo monyo ncho. mkpọrọ ogbu mmadụ nye wenaghị iwe maka na mkpọrọ ya onye ohi ka o ji wekpọ m ogbu mmadụ. Did you think about everything before you kpọọ m onye ohi? It's about how I will feel before you kpọọ m onye ohi. Yes, epia m bottle ncheworo m egbe gbanwuo. Did you think about the pains you may feel from that bottle injury epia m? Yes, let the law settle the consequences of EPA and they come. But it will not be left for you to judge. You can't be the judge. You can't be the judge. That is the problem people they wear. Yeah? That is the problem people they wear. A lot of people put up on Facebook in recent time. When we don't share if you feel no do so geshi. Onu na share ya na enwangole, onu na share ya na enwangole. Echi ni nekita opuputa nke u pia ya online. Ibeba akwa, igbogeriwe. Ishoba allies. Ishoba ka build bridges of nde go na ha ya aputa chowo geshi. Unu do wuye. If I will bitter truth, unu fail to got na Facebook. And somebody like me, I'm meant to be telling you people that truth. Whether nature anywhere or nature anywhere, your emotion doesn't matter to me. Yes. Why will I bother how you feel when you don't fucking care about how I feel? Tell me. Why will I bother about how you feel when you don't fucking care about how I feel? Take that your selfishness to somewhere else. I cannot entertain it. Take that your selfishness to somewhere else. I cannot entertain it. Imekata program afa Matthias mada puta juo ke bife concern o Matthias n'ifi inegwu. Matthias puta ebe enwela accident okpoba ndị ụka ya jue ke bife concern o ndị ụka n'ife o na-ekwu. Yes. O puta ebe enwela accident, o puta ebe mmadụ nwụrụ, o say your pastors, say ndị ụka, say na Jesus Christ egbuo n'onya. Ya jue Matthias keri ife Jesus Christ, keri ife pastors na churches nwere to do with accident e nwere ebe. But every day in, day out, go ya buy camera, pastors, or the pastor, or their son name, or their churches. TV herself, they before not your equal. Madoneni Munu, General Baus here, Matthias. Your content, is it all about church? Okay, my Chineke ya pondeni na neme habena na comment section we na asem everyday Matthias Chineke ya kpọrọ ọkụ ekwensu ya kpọrọ ọkụ ụwa ya kpọrọ ọnụ this earth anyị nọ n'ime ya kpọrọ ọnụ. Yes, ọ ya kpọrọ ọnụ unu chere ọmụ kono na bia melu akwụmeba Broso onwe uje na platform nina heba in our support. Jeba, don't come to my own platform. What else do you want to hear? You already know what I represent. You already know my stand. Coming to my platform to hear something different from what you have been hearing before. It is a no. You know. Na page Matthias today, man, Matthias is an antichrist. Oh man, an anti-Christian call. So, get another message in a message. It should either know from platform. Yeah, get another message. It should either know from my own. Here, every day. Matthias, every day. Matthias. Every day, Matthias. You will any other content. Which other content can we? Matthias, we go content also. Even last night before on Apugola, in case before you forget, go Marana Jesus Christ is a scam and na pastors we're gonna go good night. Or if you last night, content so no one block pastors, churches, Jesus Christ, miracle, RNG, this one, another one, and you are enjoying it. When we go to that program 50 times in a day, you are enjoying it, you are sharing it, you are sharing him up. You know to your hamadike, you know to your zibundo. Chineke ya bogo kumane in a very special way. E watching it to a chayeze to but ebe na my own akwa hafa ye ona atokasi adokasi ọ na imo ho na mu nwekwa ndị na-asị m ride on ọ na imo ho na mu nwelu ndị message m na-atọ ụtọ ọ na imo na onwe ndị na-eme nọ 2 days memeho live broadcast ha na-asị m ezugbo datụgo bịa mee broadcast etu anyị si enjoy message Matthias ka ndị ọzọ si enjoy my own message. Are you not aware? Ono shock unu wolo how you feel and control how other people feel. I wolo only voice isini yeji esini mmadu gwazie ni ikenga ahi debara ahụ ni ikenga nna yo kesi ikenga godo na nso ihe n'ọkụ ọ na-agba iwe eno ikwo na olive oil ni yeji ewesi nni mmadu asị na isi ofo ga ahụ na o yeso ihe n'ọkụ wesie nni iwe kedu fi na ewere iwe ese na Jesus Christ wo fake agba na ndị ancestors go emo power iwe ese na Jesus Christ wo nka ase na ancestors wo mere nka iwe ese na ike adọrọ na Bible agba na ike adọrọ na mmiri na ese nwanyị enwe power iwe ngonwa we ese nwanyị epụta ese na Jesus Christ do powerless asizie na ike adọrọ na mmiri na ese nwanyị aha da emezis iwe ngonwa we ese nwanyị epụta ese na ndị pastors do jobless no wayo wife ha na-ekwu agwakwana na omenala Igbo a support ha eze nwanyị na ndị eze nwanyị wo retired ndị gbara akwụna iwe kedu ife na-eweghị iwe iwe so now all these things is just because you want the whole world to be clapping for you alone. It's a lie. I say call oye meme inwe followers you gotta go talk to your followers. Let me talk to my followers. You have your message, I have my message. I cannot preach your message. You have decided not to preach my message. Come on, something do so painful about all this is that nandini na parade onwe ha na Facebook say na ha na kotos in the pastors, say na ha na kotos churches. They will always tell you I am a Christian ahụ no okwe ma Christian ahụ ono na claim no can reserve for my comment. You are a Christian mana ịpụta ị na-anụ Sunday pastors ọgụ unu echefuzie ndị nwa dibịa gbara ụgwụ bịa na ya emeghe ọgaranya within 4 days iwụrụ ọgaranya bịa ka m gwọrụ gị oke ite ka ị nwee ego every day ka ha na market na Facebook iwo super glue nyachi anyago were ara diet uchi anyago ebu amụma ịbara mba mana every day ka ndị mmadụ na-akwụ 5,000 10,000 20,000 ewere agbara afa. You don't care. You care about if na-eme na your locality. O nwere nke na-eme na azube nnago. O nwere nke na-eme na azube nnago. Waja since people are enjoying your message and Matthias' message, why are you attacking Matthias personally instead of attacking his point or opinion? Waja, I am attacking Matthias personally instead of his point, in as much as Nana attack a point here, but you choose not to hear even na attack a point here. The same way also we feel no do they right either attack pastors personally, now attack churches personally. That is the same way. This is when I attack here. The same way you walk on the pastors. Nsi we na attack here maka na na the pastors kisi kwa we call them out keta maka na na akpọ your GO o na Matthias wo your GO manukwa na the pastors are our spiritual generals. The same way this is speaking for Matthias now, that is the same way this is speaking for our pastors. Kelonye merugi ji we believe na Matthias we right either call out an entire Christendom, an entire pastors, prophets, bishops and reverends, fathers, but we cannot call him out. Yes, the same way Osia attack our GOs. Kaiswa call quite out as your that GO. Yes, because he said that the GO now of Osusu ministry. That is so why in way. That is so I way today. You want your opinion to be heard, but you don't want another person's opinion to be heard. And the new message for the twist here into hatchor go fit here. I am not here to romance your ego. You don't like you are not a Christian. You are not a Christian. Can you tell us who you are? Ebonyi son for once, it happened to Ebonyi State, Biana Poor, they pay Matthias a homage. Even as a Christian in a claim. Yes. Even as a Christian in a claim. Yes. Can you represent? Unnecessary content the way you see. No comedians go from comedy to comedy agwu ni mafia. Eh? Comedy agwu ni mafia. Eh? Unemwerozi sense comedy unu ye no church. Church. Can you use that same energy to call out the government? Cowards! You people cannot do that. You people cannot do that. Have you ever paid your tax to the church? Egom what they get in a church is none of your business. It is none of your business. I chose who to give my money. You cannot dictate it for me. If you love me so much, you know what you can do for me. If you love me so much, you know what you can do for me. Somebody do ke police na nkaku. Nne unu ejoka, nna unu ejoka, umunne unu ejoka, agbata obi unu ile na umunna unu ejoka. From na nyakari afa. Kelechi TV last oka nne mwe dokwe weju na oka. Mwe pelu unu ku sukela na unu oka. We ono mwe na oka nne. Obulu na nne nwuru ga amụ na afọ na ejoka. And they kusini ho your mother ijoka. How can you come and stop me? Muna we wofu munna. Muna we nwanne. Aya na make up business. Abi go me fu ugboro one. Aya na make up business. Yes. Aya na make up business. Akosayo mkpolo ebuku obi spiritual father. Nde mmadu nego agbago mu. There is one thing you can never tell a man. You can never tell a man the source of his money. I know the source of my money. I know the source of my breakthrough. Obolongo ya gwanya. Ngba na mu no na nleka before meet ye waja. No get meet waja. No waja menu mi fenwu. Oh e ya puta na asem na ase. No waja. Just like into the madu se me. Obolo na madu help child. Yeah? At the end of the day, e ya gwa ndem madu. No urugodu na no higa konya. No. Yeah. That you are destined no nya ye help. This spirit of ingratitude une pute no no ka. Onwe onye no no wa nde na akpujelu nwa dibia efi. Ya gwa uno e ba ka the source of their wealth. Na ba ka the source of their money. Na ba ka their breakthroughs. Yes. Because now every man encounter onwe life a way to around. I know mine, you know yours. If you are sure of yours, if you trust yours, why do you think I am not sure of mine? Now everything I do today is because of Ebukobi. Why are you constantly trying to talk down on that particular source? And you think he's going to leave you? The answer is no. The answer is no. In case if you don't know. Ogwagogi say never. If you were one today. No, this is his testimony. Even if you don't believe in all the testimonies, why can't you believe in the testimony of a man who has stood his ground while countless times that this person is more like my personal Lord and Savior? Language osibo stay away from Ebukobi. Stay away from Ebukobi. Can you tell me to stay away from my father? We see father figures in so many people. So many people are irrespected today as our fathers, are not even our biological fathers. Yes, I am a father figure. Anybody in this life, a father figure, even if I Yoruba, Capital Oil and Gas. Evangelist Mark Udele said, Oga, nobody is above advice. Even president do have special advisors. Special advisors hana akwụgwọ. Special advisors hana akwụgwọ. Oloke na alụrụ. He has given you a duty to be doing for him. Ona akwụgwọ. You are directly under his payroll. He can fire you to show you that thousands of other people can sit in that position. Yes. Evangelist Adonafa Uwopie. They need Romodio here. They need Romunde Bishop Nafa Uwebieba. Echo to I will put you where you belong because none of them don't down. Advisor. Advise yourself. Epatamuego manena advice on your batalego. Jebatego. Imare how somebody can conduct himself. We batego. Mani opoga bata. Nya munga wonye gwa welega. Ibuhe. If I hear na gwa na me enwe mego. Ni yeme nwe ki nwego. If I hear na gwa na me across 1 million motor ayebu. Nya ngu yeme nwe on your own. Ebonyi son na advisor ko Zion how to market Zoro bitters. Omozi na nyanwa nwe Ebonyi son platform. No if I Zoro bitters nke. He doesn't care about people who follow him. The whole Christians follow him. 1 million followers. Engagement here increase here. Yeah. If you don't want to be controversial, you stay out. Yes, stay out. Only if you defend if I believe in only the advice. Yes. Only the advice. In our advice, when you put a bitter drink. Without much advert, without paying for much celebrities. He only went into the market with the JPAC, Governor Ezioku, and the Skibo. He only went into the market with 3 of them. Obi Kubana na Bebiokoha, but into the market with the music stars, content creators who are influencers, big ones out of them. Kahajiwe Bani Mafia. You are welcome. Kahajiwe Bani Mafia. He now advise somebody not at the comfort of his home. Manya Bahafia even before I launch that manya. They say na how do. They say na who the police on. Okay, that advice is based on what? I want to know. I want to know all about marketing Zoro bitters. Zoro bitters already. I want a celebrity drink. I don't think you know will any bitter drink. Willy Kamanya. Yes. In fact, I know now saw distributorship as well. Yes. I know now saw distributorship mania as well. Ikulisi. Eno humbone me. Ono na say nyemunka Anambra, nyemunka Imo State, nyemunka Lagos. Ana so ya azo. Yeah. Mmanya self ka na alu, mmanya anobu 3 months na afia. Aluwakwa na extension of the factory. Aluwana extension of the factory. You know na advice onye karu we do business minded can advice. Yeah. Onye karu we do business minded can advice. Yeah. Onye karu do business minded. Oh no proof bohuru as na result na cancel insult. As na result na cancel insult. Have you not seen the result? You want to drink Zoro bitters. Am I lying? I go me Ebonyi son. Je me pay fridge you. Can I refuse Zoro bitters? Je me pay fridge you kita. Can I refuse Zoro bitters? Yeah. Also say if I Facebook good at. After money na advice in the matter how to make your videos to go viral. Yeah. How to make your videos to go viral. 18 hours after post that video canona 78 views. Yeah. How to make your videos go viral. It has landed in Enugu. I'm in charge of Enugu distributorship. Contact me if you want to be a part of the moving train. Confirm. Go. Manya land the Enugu. Manya land the Enugu. Manya hadezu production aneme. After they meet up with demand there now. Onye na excusing you how to make your videos to go viral. 18 hours later, video aka no na 78 views. That is all we see na Facebook. People who are not even well equipped na ebehano, they want to come and start teaching you because of Facebook. Because of Facebook. Yeah? If not for Facebook, keri ife onye jula we makposicha nwunye ya anya n'ụtụtụ wee pụwa ya eziri n'office buy phone na akụziri how to maintain a peaceful home. That is Facebook for you. That is Facebook. Nwunye ya ekpugogo keta wele eje afia o wuru n'ụla makposicha nwunye ya anya olusie na face na n'office ya buy camera kuzimeziero gị ife ahụ implement wo beye kuzimeziero gị ife ahụ. So that video Ebonyi son numero totally out of point. It is totally out of point. Ese na Joe Gaddafi ka ogono n'ime elu kelafa ya bebioko advert free well support oye as your Ebonyi brother. You make go Akosayon advert. Akosayon onye Anambra. You don't like him. All your advices ni na-enye is ife ya we were on a book is subdue go we fail kunu we shine no. Yes. Oh kunu we shine no. Ide nye advice ya na efuru ya n'anya. Ide nye advice ya na efuru ya n'anya. Yes. Area of strength here. Keshon ke piatuo Mr. Advisor. Mr. Advisor. Imegolu zero bitters advert kan na jo. Ona de mmanya amahomma packaging nye e like he. Eh? They ka packaging nye do ka carton champagne iye ebuni mmanya ahụ wee ba akwamozu. Iye ebuni mmanya aga kwasa ya ogodo n'elu wee ba akwamozu. Yes. Iye ebuni mmanya as wine wee ba akwamozu. Packaging no carton mmanya ahụ top notch. Yes. Oduka carton Lambrusco. Oduka a refined carton of Lambrusco. Yeah? Mmanya dị etu aka efuru na-ewotara ya ọnụ. Yes, thank you. Oduka ka carton Campari. Mmanya amaka. Mmanya awo Campari and the Lambrusco Jelu Babcock University. Jelu Oxford University. Imegolu ye advert. Mr. Lover of Ndi Igbo. Hapu ogechi okeke njaka. Hapu je park. Hapu onye gono. Nde na advertise akụ mmanya ye ka ị na-asịnya hapụ. Bịakwutezie ngụnwa nwanne ya onye Ebonyi. Ngụnwa nwanne ya onye Ebonyi State advertise go mmanya ahụ for one day ị na-eche ka akwụọ ụgwọ. Advertise go mmanya ahụ for one day ị na-eche ka akwụọ ụgwọ. Mana ị na-agwa Akosayon ya na-eghalụ nde so we project ba mmanya even before mmanya abata n'ime afia ya na-eghalụ ha anya Mr. Advisor. Even ji wegwo n'ụfọdụ ndị advisors nọ na Facebook ha bụ mma each advice ha nyere apịa ha 76 stroke of care. Appear 76 strokes of care. Akowacha gulum gifeni ni wopotalo from your live video. Ki wefuna email that video out of hate, not out of love for Akosayon. Email that video out of hatred, not out of love. Akowacha gulum money of fuma. Akobonge DJ pata elo ke shokeke njaka. Onye build a platform from 0 to 1.something million followers. You are yet to build your own up to 200,000. You are yet to build your own up to 200,000. But Ije na mago onye okay ngwa on what basis ka ihe eji agwa Akosayon ya nye enena oge echi anya. Let's say that na zero bitters wo oge echi okeke njaka page. Or no oge echi can successfully build a page to 1.something million followers. Akosayon or supposedly in the Lungo Wanya. How many years later you are yet to hit 200,000 followers? For you to cross over to 100,000, it has to take you to Saga J Park. It has to take you to Saga J Park. Then a join Wando Kaba Ndomena na Busezi Obundo so church about here to 170 something. Is that what you call growth? Is that what success look like to you? Yeah. Between two of you, Kelonye Akosayon supposedly there nanya. If Ogechi can build a page to 1.something million followers, yeah, or other pages you ka enwere ike iji engagement do na wee jeri jesizi oke ka nke oje nebe anya mana ị nwere mind ibili to that page what you are agbago mono na so many things ndị mmadụ na-condemn n'ụwa what they are dreaming to have. You have a dream that one day na your page you 1 million followers, but you are here talking down on a page that already hit 1 million followers. But that is what you are praying. In fact, your dream, because your shop will Ebonyi son will your shop will Ebonyi son. And now your shop. Only for somewhere, only going to be Powalafia or a subsidiary of Ebonyi son. Yes. Now that is just now that content you know. Abekwa na the other field of life. Ogechi should even mentor you as a mother, not even as a sister. Yes. Or you mentor as a woman, because I don't have mate in any way, both in achievement, both in anything in this life. Mate or no 100 miles away ahead of you. Those are the people you should be learning and not advising. Can you not advise there? You know what they say? Attire, let me advise you. Can you not show can advise to a man who has seen it all, to a man who has gotten to the end, to a man who has conquered, to a man who is an achiever. You can only go closer to him and borrow from his wisdom. Yes. Yes. You can even go, you can just go closer to him and borrow from his wisdom. Because you need a lot from him. You need a lot from Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You shouldn't even be late now to Yokute. Can you for achieve go Ogechi achieve go? Nothing. Everything not achieve go in this life. Within a pebble kinwe. Within a pebble kinwe. So Akosayon should start listening to you. Yeah? Akosayon should start listening to you. Abi? He should start listening to you because you are wise. Your wisdom now waja. Yeah, I'm a mifan keguna ti waja. In agwa Akosayon and love for and love for her. He should start behaving like Obi Kubana or not from that. Yeah? Maya Bagolafia, Maya Bamigolafia Bambi. Yeah. Hi, Afusigomania. Afusigomania. Or if I can they win boho, even meeting, they win boho, even chairman Omenala. Yeah, that advice if I know ba. Onyo naturally advice at if I know ba. Yes. Nka another thing to another message to the at the right time. Onyo naturally that advice if I know ba. You want to be an advisor to if I know ba. Ejimi kuno jugo. Ekugo 6,000 naira ije one mother na bibi. Wala achonye jugo. Yes, if you go more than 1,500 na jegbe ni yenye, you will actually onye jugo. Always talking down on people you should be learning from. People you should be iwu inupo meeting no common chairman, common president club ono ke zoro daye edariada. Yes. Mane chore da ko walo somebody contest goal for Senate. You want to be advising him on political matters. You want to be advising somebody, a sitting governor approach, you deliver. You want to be advising him on how to win election. You want to be telling if you manage your business first. Which business have you grown? Can you follow your brand? What should we address you as who? One title don't have. We want to know where we will start addressing you from. Yeah? But people will quickly come to advise somebody. Omoye karumma. Omoye currently karumma. Omoye karumma. Even on we advise omoye yada mogamu. Because they know what they have seen. They have seen the light. You are even yet to discover light where it is coming from the tunnel. Yeah? Or if a Facebook will or to possible. Money ya gwa yoku in real life. Facebook melede ya da gwa yoku na Facebook. Ufodu ni mu no gbakwila Akosayon ni keketa. ị pọsụọ frizie ka osisi nwụrụ anwụ ọ gafee palado na ahụ apụọ. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu na ya ebighị otu nwe ya akụpụta hia go na ekwuru one on one ya kwụni n'ihu for 5 minutes without seasoning bread your bread. Can you do that? Ihe megbu ya mana Facebook mere na onye pụta ọ na-ekwugheri unu pụta na advice ya etiri m chọọchị Ebube Mmụọ Nsọ. Ụfọdụ sị na ife ahụ ebuilding na ala anyị somewhere na suppose ime ife a ọ bụrụ a factory. Mgbe jụọ gị sị mgbe ibe eto lụrụ factory ya gụ na ya ọkpara nkata wee lụọ ya. Mgbe Chikasin lụrụ Chikasin village Nnewi gụ na ya ọkpalụ before wee lụọ ya. Mgbe Kutisi lụrụ mgbe ajụrụ ụzọ dike ozuzo Nnewi Kutisi lụrụ Kutis Table na Nnewi gụ na ya ọkpalụ wee lụọ ya. Mgbe Ngo Bros lụrụ block industry ebe a na-alụ block engine motorcycle wee lụọ ebe a na-alụ pampas diapers gụ na ya ọkpalụ wee lụọ ya. Ajụjụ ka m na-ajụ ka iwe ka m wee mmalụ. Mgbe Ike God lụrụ Jolly factory gụ na ya ọkpalụ wee lụọ ya. Mgbe Chika Emenike Koteke lụrụ Tommy gụ na ya ọkpalụ wee lụọ ya. Mgbe Johel Pharmaceuticals lụrụ Johel Pharmaceutical Company factory dị n'Ọka gụ na ya ọkpalụ wee lụọ ya. Gụ na Gabu Innocent ọkpalụ wee lụọ Innocent Vehicle Manufacturers wee lụọ plastic. Gụ na Louis Kata ọkpara nkata wee lụọ factory ya. Keri ife iji wee need if you put into action you want another man to do it. Why will you tell somebody how to utilize his resources? Why will you tell me where to start impacting to people? I can choose to employ people from any angle. I can choose to employ people from any angle. I went to UK. I saw that building. If you are not blind, agbahalu video na economic activities na-eme around there. A woman to kago kanku na-ele nni ebe a ndị na-abịa ụka ebe a na-abịa ego na-aba na akpa nwaanyị ya. At least every morning nwaanyị ama na osie nni buru ebia na area dị etu a no erecha nni ya. Ndị na-ele snacks, ndị na-ele biki, ndị na-ele akwụkwọ, ndị na-esi na-ele ọkpa, ndị na-ele maịmaị, ndị ọkada, ndị keke, ndị buses. Yes, hotels no ebe, hospitals no na that area. Everything no na that area na strive. People na laugh, economic activities na ga on there because of high number of people na be na that area. Okwori ndị mmadụ na-ebute development. Okwori able high university kita pute na your area. Ebe ahụ develop. Jeno coffee otoro ebe da permanent site. Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital nya ọkwọ nke ụmụ akwụkwọ chee n'oke ofie otolo ebe ebutara ya. Iru ebe a ka efu ka oke ofia si wee mepe within a twinkle of an eye. Oke ofia ebe mmadụ amahọ na tata na Nnewi na mmadụ nwere ike iwere ego esi uru agụ gbado oke ofia jee gbara ala. Today value of land increase go n'oke ofia because na ndị mmadụ na-ege were alụ lọnch ebe ụmụ akwụkwọ na-ebi. Today imepe restaurant n'oke ofia ọ na-aga. Today economic activities eme na n'oke ofia tagala ọkụ oke ofia na-enwu. Ọ mmadụ na-ebute development. Concentration of ndị mmadụ at one area na-ebute development. Synagogue Church of All Nations so wee mepe Ikoto. Also wee mepe Ikoto Lagos Ikoto wee do etu ọdụ jee na around that synagogue church ka ịfụ ndị ji ya eri nri ewolu na because of that church. Train ụmụazị na university erezige ego because of that church wee establish people na business. Ndị mmadụ were ejebe obodo oyibo. How can you talk down on such? How can you talk down on such? How can you talk down on such? If one of ndị na-arụ ọrụ NGO na-ewere ha na-esiri nri aja mmadụ dịka Okwuluọra Ndị Igbo na-ewere na-esiri nri aja without knowing that that particular thing ọ na-eme na impact on thousands of lives. Yes, everything working together for good. Everything working together for good. Yes, everything working together for good. I can categorically tell you that that building in a building, and that is not a factory. Donuke Ebubemon Sololo created more than 4,000 direct jobs and over 5,000 indirect jobs. Put it together, it is close to 10,000 jobs. Produce. Yes. Ibeto petrochemical industry na Newi, 10,000 workers on alone. You can only put it to the entire labor force of Cletus Ibeto as an individual. You can use it to qualify. You can use it side by side. We compare Ibeto Industries as a whole, the whole workforce of Ibeto. Yes. Either ways, people are getting paid, people are working, people are benefiting. So actually, we build factory. For the new moon, build factory. Can build factory. Okay, she go kwana nukuta na ebo cholelo farms, my big farms. Me fenine all people ya all weba without even talking. She is implementing things. Manondo tu no so say okukuno ya deku. Can you show? Okay, we don't know how to do this. Can you show us how to go about it? We want you to show us how to go about it. You can't, because you only speak, but you don't act. You only talk, but you don't act. You are an advisor without portfolio. You are an advisor without qualification. You have not even mastered the area where you are advising people from. You have not mastered the area where you are advising people from. Did you see that building at UK? Emana cement ni neji welu ya umadu ke golie. Emana road ni neji welu eba umadu ke golie. Emana roofing sheet ni neji welu roof na umadu ke golie. Do you know that from foundation to the roofing of that building, emana people lolo eba, emana people benefiting from eba? How else can people not into real estate see benefit to other people? If not that na Nicholas Okachukwu nwelu more than 500 buildings from Abuja. No, ndị mmadụ ka egolu materials eji arụ ọrụ ebe a. O nwere ife a na-akpọ direct and indirect jobs. Yes, indirect jobs wụ moto na-ebute, ndị egolu cement, ndị offload rie, ndị laborers n'ụlọ ọrụ, ndị ife niile ahụ indirect jobs. Ife ahụ ị na-eme nwere ike create. Yes. If I create has a suppliers and supply to churches, Mandela supply books, Mandela supply Bibles. Call him honor when they name Bible as a business. Are you not aware? Not somebody name Bible as a business. And no nyalje when I build an empire for himself. Kona emote go from sales of Bible. Kona eje na so many other places. Are you not aware? Shanghai na Newi nkume zago aya obosia mepelu n'ụka single-handedly call that church in Umezago. Shanghai is an engineer, all from building houses for people. Because we raise ego, because we build the house for God. Etu akosi osieba hironya, osieba hironya. All shame ko. It is a shame. Every day, can millions of naira sit for synagogue church. Bani mafia na Lagos ya go just chaye. Ni fa na ebute na church. My restaurant. Man can use na lodges. Man can use na medical sector. Man can use na ebe niile. Man can use we dey clean churches. Man can use we dey man dey na pay maintain AC. Man dey na pay maintain fan. Man dey na akwa uniform man dey use. Man dey na mifi niile. Ego si na synagogue church na abata Lagos state ya na circulate na Lagos ya n'ime afia niile a na-eji ego ebe a jụọ oyibo jee afia niile ebe a na-ele foodstuffs wolu millions go ife nni buru ebuche ebe a. Are you not aware? The same thing with Winners Chapel. The same thing. Okay, Seraphic Hospital. Bam a single thing done at Seraphic Hospital. He is buying them from people. Dispensary, Doka Pharmacy here. Oguni na negwe baho. Wundem madonna supply your. Are you not aware? Medical doctors need neba ana pohobo. Nurses need neba ana pohobo. AC need neba ana service here, list stage alolo ana service here, diesel ana agbata, every single thing na run na that hospital. Ma ndị na print akwụkwọ ndị nọọsụ si edi ife eje prescribe ma letter heading paper ma ife niile etu aka chain ego ahụ si aga, etu aka chain ego ahụ si aga. Yes, are you not aware? You need to go here before you were. Only a lot of engineers who through Zion guys here in today. Nyanya the highest all on a year. Nyanya the highest all and a year. Abalongona, one of my friends in Munye Mweba 3 days ago. Balomna, that hospital, you can compare that hospital with St. Nicholas Hospital. Yes, with St. Nicholas, standard all over that hospital. Churches. What are the help of churches? Okay, what are the influence of churches? Eh? We look at no men and agaho. Achieve water of ifoka achieve by before you can begin to talk. Ana sota chana we to uzolute. Before you bido message of liberation, you will first of all want them mad na ebo no na eke ebo no na echeto. Ha compare ebe ha na eche fu ebe ha na eje anya, because these days it is not all about talking. It is not all about talking. You will show ebe mmadụ na ife na ata etu a ya agwa onye a na eke osi atọ, ya gwa mmadụ na ife na ata etu ya gwa eke osi atọ. Si na ebe church no pụọ na agha do na church we face some of you aya no mu una yememu ye ana na-ekwu ọtọ ka ya sị ị na-asị holy water ahụ kwere mmadụ ọkwere a company na alụrụ ya chọọchị ntụ ha chọrọ osi wetazie pastor agọzizie ya, ọkwere church ọkwere a company na alụ ya na Lagos ya anointing oil, ọkwere a company na alụ ya na-ebute, ọkwere mmadụ na alụ na that company na alụ ya. Yes, ma that level a na-eti na ọkwere ọrụ ndị mmadụ ka ọwụ onye etu aka o si akpagharị osi n'aka onye ọbanye n'aka onye osi n'aka onye ọbanye n'aka onye ife niile ahụ wee go na esekeleti n'aka ndị mmadụ mana ichuzo na ya amụ because no ụlọụka, because no pastors. You chose not to reason along this area. Now allow 100,000 capacity and millions of people that will get money, and thousands of people that will get money. That money will still go back to people's pocket. From people's pocket, children will be fed, relations will be taken care of. Life goes on. Life goes on. This woman who Sisters Fellowship International, if you go to school one year when I'm poor, iluo na school one year when I'm poor, you will shut up. You will shut up. That school employ more than how many teachers, how many cleaners, security men. Monday went nona Monday nebife abiele na school za. That school employ more than Kambalu Kwasoso, and more than 1,000 people who are working in that schools and don't Ndi Igbo to Kamunayo. Monday na be maintenance na that school Ndi Igbo to Kamunayo. Building ni na run at that school. Ndi Igbo to Kamunayo. Esina mpo we go to ties. Esina ebe a na-egbu aja we go aja. O uncle mmadu, o nwanne mmadu, o auntie mmadu, o nwa mmadu. O hancha niile lụrụ ọrụ ebe a ego niile and in a pocket in the buy. Can you na complain? Why are you talking about creating jobs when churches are creating jobs, when religious organizations are creating even larger jobs than even government can do? Yes, than even government can do. Why are you people auditorium don't make that place, that school lodo? I can imagine how many millions of naira Ijele auditoriums are. Or a contractor Lolo I'm a Monyelolo Cathedral Church of St. Mary's. Yes. Or engineer Jotan Ozokwe, late, may his soul rest in peace. Nyalu New Life Anglican Church, may his soul rest in peace. Oh no, Unesai, never benefited from this project. I'm a lot of engineers, a lot of people, and the roofing, and the medicine. Oh, why are you talking about creating jobs when churches are creating the highest number of jobs on a daily basis? Now project people are named Wego. Project now project people are named Wego. On them they will enough money to spend. Back marketing are too tight. And upload and them will money to spend. And they spend they go Egana bana and them mado. Ndobana bahane wuptakwe Jawane go that is. Egane circulate we know not happy. Churches are doing it against all odds. Yes. Do you know that Fadede will a workforce of over 20,000 people working for him? Do you know? These are people you should be clapping for. Do you know? Now Fadede will a workforce of over 20,000 people. Madonna University, Okija. Caritas University, Enugu. Ososa Tech. Blue Gate Bank, Li Foam, Mamiri, my you got, my how to too much. Another universities. That man will about 4 to 5 higher institutions. All buildings there back. Igbo benefit here. Engineer Yoruba. One go a white man on Yaro Hanchanine, supply Nina and Meba, and then I supply Infinina and the Ria Bam, and then my Egani China schools Nina or outside Jenny. Na Mandano Ponkunine Jahan, Etiko matras in the Madujala Weba, for the Omazibo buy. For the Omazibo buy. Eh? Get off at this transport will. Get off at this transport will. Gold transport or if any now. Woman's buying a guni now. Eh? Kedife Ndemadayeji appreciate the input of Christianity na Igbo and Nigeria in general. Church bodies in Nigeria alone has created more than 10 million jobs. Yes, they have created jobs more than state government itself, more than federal government itself. Yes. That is true. That is true. I can tell you that Winners Chapel will more than 20,000 pastors alone. Pastors alone. Quote. I'm not talking about people alone at finance department. I'm not talking about people alone at ushering department. I'm not talking about people alone at choir department. Are you aware that most of those people now go? Then alone at sound. Then they take care of sound and even tech engineers. Are you aware? The level of printing jobs this church is in a Emana Igaku onye narono a printing press. Ogwalo no matter the project of one church that it is enough for him to feed his entire family. No matter one church, one branch. Kana nyebolo. Actually make crusade higher print here. But print their banner, print even in brand their motto, may even in it is enough for them. In all here, na konya nyampo. Mugona churches close down in Nigeria. It will throw more than 30 million people. As a more than it will throw close to 100 million people into poverty. It will throw more than 100 million people into poverty. Can you Zamalo page may receive Webo star? Or receive Webo star. You got to go. So, Keluntu also ayesi we na kowalo no ye. In actual employment, these are people who are creating employment. Yeah? University Winners Chapel Kogunu Kela for that university. Kela for that university. No, so now the one of the best schools in Africa here. That school, no, you can compare that school with American schools, American universities. How many workers are at that school? How many workers are at that school? Building that, okay, when will school a Bemon Solo? When will school a Bemon Solo ine isi mkpọ na-eje obosi onwe school Egbemonso lụrụ school aha alụrụ that school to standard ima resources in in and out of that school flowing into people's pocket. It is a circle. The money doesn't come out and end in a Egbemonso's pocket. Yes, it is a circle. And when thousands of people again they flow round their pocket, it is a cycle all through the year. A parent ya wow, we see from wow, ban and tender teachers. You see from Eba now look project in a school. You see from Eba then water supplies in a bookshop. You see from Eba then water supplies na pharmacy church. You see from Eba then water. It is a shame. E go na aba ni mafia. So if you book any school, or somebody na akwa uniform, na that school na. Or a painter paint school or a painter na repaint school state. Covenant University, thank you. Caritas University. Maka ever. So imagine the amount of money they see from churches every year into the market. Then you can tell me in a church or if hardly any church today or any project in Aga currently on hardly. Yes. Vehicles. Somebody na koto razos moka no guru buses. Ema the number of drivers na anya buses ya. Ema mechanic na alo buses ya. Ema company go buses ya. Ema katishe nu siaga. You don't know, and that is why you na koto ha. They are doing more than government. They have turned to government themselves. They are supplementing government effort in a bigger way. Many people are going to school today on scholarship because of churches. Many families are eating today because of churches. Churches are an institution. How can you go to key? How can you go to your key? They are doing a great job. Yes. Yes. Divine Race British School Obose by Egbemonso. Ije na school for quality education. If you find out quality, if you must gather school, if you must gather school Egbemonso, Ishi no must to school in America. So instead of going to America to pay for that school fees, instead of going to Igbo Land to pay for that school, come and pay it in Anambra State. Let's circulate in Anambra State. On a share like this, share like this, share like this, share like this. Zion Chorebia Imo State, what people should be celebrating. In will idea nebu go be na Victory Estate before Victory Estate we mepe. In man nebu go be so na the reason after Victory Estate you will develop in this manner today. So you don't want to have a replica of Victory Estate in Imo State. You don't want that particular Ngopala area, actually school, Kone boom to Victory Estate is a boom. Nchoje ni mwoke bi na Victory Estate. Ana ma put after 5 to 6. Pona shop jego life. That is the kind of life that has come to that area. Enolo, will enemy of progress. He will enemy of progress. Okuben na ya ke resources on ebu bata no mo na. Okuben na ya. Alusi ben na ya kelu resources on ebu bata. Yes, ayi wele do nwamba. Kelife do nwamba na ebu bata ayi no bu na eze. I am asking you. Ono poto na emege po no na akọ ife ma agotaro. Una na akọ ife ma agotaro. These are people turn to government. They have turned themselves to government. If you say you know for private jet, where we were. If you know nya Toyota Land Cruiser, where we were. Every na innocent G-Guard motor, where we were. Oh yeah, about if you know you this suit, so go ma fa suit. So go ma na enwe gushi. So go ma afa design abubu o yiri na obaye lewu. O yiri quality suit. E yi see ya na because na o deserve he ezigbo ife. If na first class, o wolo dollar ka ifo na aka nwote mko. Ojo obodo iwe ba na emi je noru na eko. Oje yo wolo alu ka o melu. Okwe alu ka ha melunu because I suppose they enjoy. I suppose they wouldn't ata afọ. Ma ndị nwa dibia go do mma ida agba convoy. Ndị nwa dibia go do mma iti helos n'ihu ti moto ọsọ n'azụ ịghọtago nwa dibịa ya ụdụ mma ịlụ duplex biri na duplex wolu gold share gachụsicha ebe niile nwa dibịa ya ụdụ mma ịgbalụ gold n'onu nyechisicha gold n'ahụ ọkwe nwa dibịa ya ụdụ mma iyi designers yiri akwa ekrestịrị fesi ya n'ahụ ya ọ na-achọbeghị egwu n'eziokwu nwa dibịa ya ụdụ mma ịkọstọmaiz plate nọmba mana ife ya na ụlọ ụka ọwụ dọla ka ịfụ n'aka nwa ote nkwụ ọwụ dọla ka ịfụ n'aka nwa ote nkwụ Wakenem this your so-called traditional religion in a propagate. Kelu, tell me one way it has impacted in your life. Tell me one way it has impacted in your life. After so biya buru biya nye shigunni biya nye nde ife de ma bezinu no munni. Ifuzo onye kwụ tight na church babamba. Imo na tight ya hunya na kwụ na church na feed more generations than chiga hi na je nye nni. Which chigu ki na je nye nni? Ina je nye chigu nni. Which chigu ki na nye nni? Agwa ngo hapụ na ife ahụ na akọ. Ọ bụrụ na enwe ahụ na no traditional religion ka ha na protect. Nke amata ya si mepere. Ọwụgụnụ ka ọwụ nna ya ojerie. Is it not a church ka o mepere? It is a church or religion. Or religion o nwere usoro o si edewe ụka. O nwere usoro o si edewe ụka. A na-enye onyinye, enwe members, elege akwa, elege ife niile, egwu otiri, ọ ka adashe free. Egwu otiri, ọ ka adashe ndị mmadụ free. Si ndị mmadụ stream wee free. Ebe ọ maghị ife. Ebe ọ maghị ife. Ebe ọ maghị ife. Ịchọ ka chọọchị hapụ school ha ka ọ free. Gọọmenti ga-enye n'Igbo free education. No church, you free education. Government, you demand the free education from your government. No church, because you don't demand more from churches than you demand from government. Yeah? All schools, all the same, I have teachers over. But we're going to see in a church, I have the same maintain church. Once other things church, once other activities church in our own. Yeah? Etu akita winners is we mepe Covenant University. Ayaku the lecturer ase na ebe ahụ ụgwọ. Ayada akwụ service charge. Ayada ego ọkụ. Ayada agbadisi. Ayada eme a lot of things. Church school need ka ewe na arụ ọnụ the school. No ejesi na Winners Chapel wote ego we be kwụ ha ụgwọ. Ndị pastors niile no all over worldwide. Logistics and everything church in take it on their own. They cannot meet again with their obligation. Amono na na-echekwuche emekwa na etu a isi eme expert ka church na-eme ife niile free emekwa na as a rich man na family emekwa na etu a ka the rest of your family members is we na-eme expert na ego na suppose i were ego na-eke ha na-eri the same explanation ahụ ị nitiri inye ha were explanation ahụ wee replace nke church ya as a rich man na-agba jipu chara ashabiri na anata ụlọ ruo duplex. Your family expect in ipute gahe bianeke heye oha amụrụ oha akụrụ ipute gahe bianeke ha that money ịmara etu ahụ ihe esi wee explain ruo ha na business ị na-eme need the cost ịdara ọnụ ya were that explanation debe on behalf of church. Church needed a lot of money to run. Church needed a lot of money to run. In case if you don't know, Maria today, yes, Maria today, una kosina nyampo, turn the churches into a factory. Iji Nigeria compare obodo we mana almost all the system of production and manufacturing donaka government in every great here. Government in every great here. Almost all, as I'm gonna almost all, will government. Ibiana Bendocha. Government in order to the highest employer of labor. Yes. Even a lot of uno, even the madune go, government in alo, hanego. A lot of houses and amenities do the mother, government in our furniture, hana kuzi tax, hana kuzi house if any to the government. Yes. Government in our control more than 70% of if an aga no budoni na hena bo. You will be compare Nigeria be man who a single thing government will provide not individuals. Individuals. I know Nigeria today based on individual capacity. Government got they will anything. You will Nigeria. General compare America. You will Nigeria. jena compare obodo niile obodo ịma na ha emepechana onwere how many Dubai indigens ma ego na ele furniture n'afịa how many Dubai indigens ma ego na ele televisions how many Dubai indigens ma ego na eji subscribe DSTV yeah you see this is thank you very much. Government controls 100% of every investment abroad, not 70%. Thank you very much. Up one mama even new. Eh? Ijele and Dubai, you to a case rule out. Amokata every year. Government they just furnish the whole apartment in now. This is their hotel. You know, kata to a corner like they need to change the fit is day to a government. And I push you where we not compare Nigeria here. Churches are taking over. What government cannot do, churches are doing that in Nigeria today. You should be grateful. You should be grateful. Oski Kenyan and your family, one person may benefit from church. I say, call it to one on it one on one. It one on one. You are lying. Schools, secondary schools need not church in Welu. But what a mother don't have uniform. Okwa mmadụ ka na ebe material ya uniform akpụkpụ niile ha na-eyi sandals a okwa mmadụ na-ego ye Ishi boarding schools Bishop Uzodike Memorial Seminary amamu ka esi ebubata food stuff na Ishi ama nke esi ebubata block niile eji wee lụ school ahụ na first block industry ka egorie unless na kita na first mechizie na alụ yes all na first ka egorie na first ablokwo an Anglican if I'm not mistaken. And yet that church, what of Carol's convent Ishi? What of Holy Shite convent Amish? These schools are owned by Nnewi Diocese. How many staffs are those schools? Even my bossa, account department, if you need teachers, both teaching and non-teaching staffs, drivers. Yeah, do you know? Oh, kwa nke Ndubisi Obi Bishop Ndubisi Obi je mepe side Okejam again. Batakwa eba ifu project ka ọ na-aga n'iru. Ego niile na-aba into individuals' pockets. You dare sit down and talk against the church. Matthias Adro informed. Nyana ndotu ya Adro informed. They are doing it and they think that it's a joke. But I know that it is not a joke. That is showcasing your ignorance to the people to see. You are showcasing, you ain't just polish your ignorance. You are blind enough not to see that government is your problem. Why can't you channel all those energy they use now after the church? Channel it to the government. Channel it to the government. Obrona government are active. Obrona government are effective. Even some responsibilities you have off the shoulders of the churches. Yes. Jena Catholic Diocese of Nnewi. Jena Catcom. Catcom so now one of the biggest printing press in Anambra State. So Nnewi. Catcom. Jeba Irueba Kefo Kolusia Ganiru. Irueba Kefo number of people now operating machines. Akwụkwọ niile eji alụ ọrụ ọ na shop ndị mmadụ ka na-eji ebu ya ya chegba na Catcom eso patronize ndị niile akwụkwọ eji print ka ife ma chemicals eji print ife na Ọnịcha ya gwa m na ụbọchị ndị Catcom ji abịa ọrụ afịa na amahọ na ha na-abịa afịa jee na ebe ha nwere ukele afa hospitals hospital ha nwere na Nnewi ebe a ka ihe arụ one of the cheapest lab test ị nwere ike ime na Nnewi. Yes. Ebe ahụ ka ị nwere ike ịrọn one of the cheapest test ị nwere ike lab test ị nwere ike ịrọn na Nnewi nweta your result in the shortest time. Isem na church ha try. Isem na church ha try. Jee na diocesan hospital Akwudo. Jee na diocesan hospital Akwudo. Iru ebe a ka ife na-eme. Jee n'ihe elu. Ilu oni yenu ki fife na-eme. Sukelana donora na palo. Ina akọ nyanyampo. Ina akọ story ndị mmadụ na-ege ntị. Because na Talk is cheap today. Talk is cheap today. Can you na Sembat school here? Ilu back if you media. Schools has impacted onye na ajugo keri ife church imegolu siena na ife ni na ho nwere ike ime expect no wa ka government me na church emegwado na hancha niile. That is the best answer you can give to them. That is the best answer you can give to them. Or school ebube monse ye mana na esinni na ahaze esinni na nkoketa. O ma aze ba ya na emebese gas plant ebe a na efilu gas. Onye ya na eje efilu cylinder eji esinni na the whole of that schools or the whole of these churches. Ofunye ketala ofu church, ofunye ketala ofu church. Onye ya na eje efilu cylinders ni na ahụ na nke owobere mmadụ ka ọwụ. Onwego a steady flow of income. Oye ligido ye welu ụbọchị ọrụ abịadewe na nke ị na-achọ ka a na-agbawo kedu ife ọsị chọrọ ka ị nụ. Tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what you want to hear. Enweghị church nọ na Nigeria today, enweghị school employ ya mmadụ. Osikike na-efu churches nọ na Nigeria today, enweghị hospital. Yes, osikike na-efu churches nọ na Nigeria today aha arụ ọnụ charity where people in charge of it. They pay salaries in millions. Church look at Winners Chapel. Yeah, that salary in billions. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. You may not know. You may not know. Oziano and a bubata from Nime churches. Ano. My friend didn't wear pure water factory. Gualomo, how many others? St. John the Cross, Ebo, place. Bamna, no Muhuefe, no one St. John the Cross on alo, no milli hack on alo. A mom anniversary hatch or even no milli hack on alo. Na other shook. And all na story. And no look at that na story. Yeah? And all na story. And my moto ne Cathedral Church of St. Louis in where na run ni meba as a motor church. And my no mechanic in alwe. And my no na free session can e jabwa fuel. Yeah? And my no na free session can e jabwa fuel. And my mama do ne na lo na Bishop Court Newi. And my mama do ne na kwadolo pure na Bishop Court Newi every morning. Emechikwo hana. And my mama do ne na kwadolo be na DCC. Santando DCC or Santando, yes, roundabout. A mama donate na kwatolo bia no kwani every day. Chuku no ya microfinance bank. E manon de Catholic church nwe. E ma microfinance bank one or Anglican and Catholic churches nwe. Eh? E manon nde dokago na lolu ebe ahụ niile. Me shie no na buo. Shie no na buo no na eji ogu. If you want people to follow your Omenala religion, preach on, but don't go to where Chineke yejiwe wuli iwe Chineke adakwasa obodo iwe ndị ancestors ya ndị gada na ndị mbụ ya adakwasa because e mara ife ị na-eme. E mara ife ị na-eme. Yeah? Ị na-emerụ m ebele n'ebe m na-eri ego. Ị na-emerụ m ebele n'ebe m nwere ike iri nwa ego m or not. Because the man end the program here that can jelly any auto. No 22 minutes after 2. We fen ako. Maneli bo money auto. Can jelly any auto na I born way to ja. Let me go and refuel. Then I will come back again. Shetako ni fen gwalu no birthday mu 15th. Let us go and impact on people. Yes. Like I said, if you wish to support that movement in any way, you can send me a message at my inbox. Yes, we'll discuss. Yeah. And God will bless you. Yeah? As Traditionen. Dalon, can you shift me tina for na go abiago? Yeah? Then you join online. Dalon hinde. Then na inbox on this birthday. God will bless you, all of you. You want to go? I am women people because now I will mad. Yeah. Ayi nwere mmado. People now inboxing nike, and we are going to make it to happen. We will make it to happen. People will benefit from birthdays go this year. People will benefit from Ezugo Global TV and family. People will benefit. But people are inboxing me and people are texting me and things are happening. I will leave it here. Dalon.